In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to report your stolen DJI drones to DJI and deactivate it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Reporting your stolen drone to DJI is important because it helps deactivate it, preventing unauthorized use and increasing the chances of recovery. It also protects your data and ensures compliance with regulations. To begin the process, open the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate the Profile button on the bottom menu panel. Tap on it, and you will be directed to the Profile section of the app. In this section, look for the option labeled Device Management and click on it. This action will take you to your Device section, where you can manage various settings related to your account and devices. As you navigate through this section, scroll down slightly until you find an option named Aircraft Flyaway. This option may be listed under the Account and Device section, so be sure to look carefully as you scroll. Once you locate the Aircraft Flyaway option, click on it. This will open a new page titled DJI Flyaway Aircraft Report, where you will find important information related to the status and reporting of your aircraft. After reviewing the information presented on this page, you will need to click the Next button to proceed further. At this stage, the app will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a double confirmation step designed to ensure that you genuinely intend to report the aircraft as a flyaway case. Click on the Confirm button to finalize the report. It is crucial to understand that once you confirm this action, the aircraft will be permanently prohibited from further use, and the report submission cannot be canceled or reversed. Therefore, before proceeding with confirmation, make absolutely sure that the aircraft in question is indeed stolen. Taking the time to verify this information will help prevent any unintended consequences, as this process is irreversible. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.